Okay, you guys, so I tried a new hair company recently, and the name of the hair company is called MSCOCO Hair. I don't know if too many of you guys have heard about this hair company. I personally haven't. Like I said, I'm just trying a new hair company. I just happened to stumble across them and decided that I wanted to try some curly hair because it is, you know, summer will be here before you know it. So if there's anyone looking for curly hair in particular, for those of you guys who specifically like to watch my videos and hear my input on a specific texture before you buy it, I do appreciate that, by the way, because that means a lot to me. I'm working on having you know, just different hair companies instead of the ones that I'm kind of used to and that I know that I already love. So this is what their packaging looks like. It comes in just a little drawstring bag like this. Little card here, like, you know, there's social media info on it. 2 wig caps in here. It's my little invoice here. Also a little satin bonnet. This is really small, by the way, so I doubt that I'll be able to use this, but it was nice of them to go ahead and include this in here. Pair of lashes, and this is what they look like. And there is an elastic band in here too, which it doesn't go with this wig, so I'm kind of not sure why that's in there. So yeah, that's it for the packaging. This is their 6x6 deep wave lace closure wig. I did get it in 24 inches. I didn't want anything like too long. Just wanted something, you know, kind of comfortable. So if you know that you want really long curly hair, you kind of have to like get a longer length, because by the time it gets wet and all that stuff, you don't really get like the true, I'm not gonna say the true length of it, but you don't get the true length unless like the hair is completely like stretched out. Basically, you don't get like the true length of the hair when it comes to curly hair unless the hair is stretched out. So you might get like a 20-inch curly wig, but it looks more of like 16 inches. It's just because it's curly. But if you were to stretch it and measure it, then you know it's the correct length. So if you know that you like really long curly hair, if you didn't already know this, like order the next length up or order a longer length than what you might think that you want, if that makes any sense. Also, I do have this wig in 180% density, so not really a whole lot to say about this wig just yet. I am going to update you guys in the comment section, so come back and check on this video like in a month or 2 from now, and I will be sure to have it as the pinned comment, which means it'll be the very first comment that you see if you guys are curious as to how this hair has been holding up. So yeah, I just feel like the curls on this side are just going a completely different direction than this side. I'm not sure how to fix that. I don't know. What makes sense to me is to just like brush the wig out and do like a twist out on the wig just to kind of manipulate the curl pattern. That's if I feel like doing all that. For now, I guess it's okay. I guess I'll just continue to leave this side like thrown over my shoulder so it's not so obvious. But the curl pattern is very beautiful. Only thing I used was water and mousse. Now, it doesn't matter the type of mousse that you use, preferably one with no alcohol in it, but I go back and forth between the Lotta Body foamy mousse and the Nairobi. As you can see, this one is pretty much on empty, but both of these are like really the only 2 mousses that I like. So I would say this hair is pretty low maintenance, meaning you don't have to put a ton of product on it to get it to look nice. Now, I didn't want to wet it too much because I wanted it to kind of get back poofy again. So now the hair is probably about 75% dry, and I like this look because I don't want it to be, like I said, too, what's the word I'm looking for? You know, when the hair is like drenched wet, then the curls, it's not as full, and then you have to wait for the hair to kind of liven up. So aside from that, like I said, I will be sure to update you guys in the comment section, but if you are interested in just getting this wig anyway, of course I never leave you guys hanging. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link down below, and then just reiterate the specs, you know, the density and the length and all that stuff in my description box. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.